So we made a quick puller, 2 bits of a 10mm plate, plasma cut, got the plasma to dot the holes. Under here the holes in this piece are bigger, so it's 24mm, which is big enough for the shaft, and then just 2 M6 bolts to press it out. The middle bearing, as you can see, is loose on the casing but not the shaft, and I can already see ball bearings inside. Oh, there we go. So that's the mess. Let's get that bit to, that's the lever that changes the gear. Let's get him onto terra firma. Oh, look at that shitting state of that in there. It's just been packed with grease. And I'm sure I saw some ball bearings. Maybe they've managed to come out with this. I don't know. We'll clean it up and we'll see what we've got to work with. I can't actually see any broken gears, so not too sure what's going on in there. Investigation needed. Straight cut gears, always noisy, especially not in an oil box. I think it makes the lights flash every time. There you go, all 3 gears. All new bearings in the head. Flip that gear round. New seal, new O-ring. Didn't replace the bearings in this, didn't need it. This planetary shaft. Everything else is good.